The AutoCAD fillet command rounds or caps corners by creating a tangent arc between two 2D objects, lines, arcs, polylines, circles. Users define the radius before selecting the two objects. It can trim excess lines, create sharp corners or fillet all polyline corners. As an example, you can create rectangle with length 100 and width 100. Type F, enter. To set radius, type R, enter. Specify radius 20. Enter. Click first line. And click second line. If you want to connect between two lines, create two line objects. Next, type F, enter. Press Shift button, hold. Click first line, and click second line. The AutoCAD chamfer command creates angled, beveled, corners between two 2D lines or 3D solids by specifying distances or an angle. Essential options include distance to set both bevel lengths, angle for length angle, and polyline to chamfer entire shapes at once. As an example, create rectangle with length 100 and width 100. Next, type CHA, enter. Type D, enter, to set distance both bevel. First chamfer distance 30, enter. Second chamfer distance 30, enter. Click on first line. And click on second line.